Hello everybody, this is a detailed solution for the worksheet semester 2. First of all, read the text below in which the writer talks about or tells about how animals live in winter areas. When you are done, answer the questions that follow. The text talks about animals that live in cold areas and how these animals cope or adapt to the big difference in the temperature between the seasons. So let's read the text first. In temperature areas such as Europe and much of North America, animals must adapt to the big difference in temperature between winter and summer. Animals which have basked in the summer sun have to face snow, ice, and freezing temperatures in winter. Mammals and birds need more food in winter to give them energy that keeps their bodies warm. In addition to that, just when they need more food, it is harder to find it. Snow and ice cover feedings grounds. Water turns to ice and the soil is rock hard. So in winter, it is very difficult for animals to find food in these places. Despite all of the problems, animals have found ways of coping. Some animals, as deer and plover, simply move away by migrating. Yani they move to warmer areas. They migrate to warmer areas and they come back in the spring. Animals that make these journeys must be good swimmers, runners, and flyers. Other animals, such as ground squirrels, hibernate. They sleep through the winter in safe holes. So these animals sleep through the winter in safe holes, burrows, or caves, avoiding the severe weather. While hibernating, an animal uses as little energy as possible so that it can survive on its supplies of body fat. Its body temperature falls and its breathing and heartbeat rates are slower than usual. Animals like bears also spend much of the winter sleeping in warm dens, but they are not true hibernators because their temperature and breathing rate do not change much. In the milder spells of weather, they wake up and go out to hunt for any food which is available. Yet others survive the hard way out in the winter weather. They scavenge and search for any food they can find, or they scrape and scratch beneath the snow with their hooves to reach any available plant. So suggest a title. Here the answers vary, of course. Every one of you might write a title which is suitable. Based on paragraph 2, how do the plover, deer, and survive in winter? As we said, plover and deer migrate to warmer areas and they come back to their area in spring. Based on paragraph 4, why is it important for the animals to save energy? It is important to save energy in order to survive during the winter season. Why do bears have fur and sharp hooves? Of course, bears have fur and sharp hooves because in order to bear the very cold weather and in order to search for food under the snow. Here the headings: using their hooves to find their meals, it is found in paragraph 5, defining hibernation in paragraph 3, finding ways to survive in paragraph 2, saving food for energy in paragraph 4, and adapting to the nature surrounding in paragraph 1. Okay, so the bears, the woods for food, we said scrape because they search. Bats are social, non-culture, and they migrate to warmer climate or hibernate. Animals have different ways to adapt to the climate changes. Mammals are those animals which the female feeds her young on milk from her own body. Identify the antecedent of each pronoun. Of course, when referring to the text, we identify them. Put the verbs in the right tense. Why is Anne wearing her new dress? Because she has a party. Sally was eating dinner last night when someone knocked the door. How long have you been using computers? Mr. and Mrs. Brown burned themselves while they were baking cookies. After they went, he sat down and lit a cigarette. Okay, so why do you need some sugar? Because I already planned to do a cake, so I am making a cake. Oh no, I left my purse, so don't worry, I will lend you. This is an offer. I don't know how to use this mixer. That's okay, I will show you. This is an offer also. Why are these people gathering here? The Prime Minister is opening the new hospital ward. Did you remember to buy the magazine I asked for? Sorry, I didn't. I will buy it when I go out again. What's that on your curtains? It's a stain. I will take the curtains to the cleaners tomorrow. These bags are very heavy. I can't lift them. I will carry. Kaman, this is an offer. I hear you're going to Leeds University on September. Yes, I am going to study French and German. So this is also a planned action, and they already planned to do it. Okay, so fill in the blanks with what, when, or where. What is the name of the President of the United States? What month is the Chinese New Year? What did Neil Armstrong say when he first landed on the moon? When did he first land? When did the Americans drop the atomic bomb on Hiroshima? And the second exercise, Pamela speaks slowly. So how does Pamela speak? Jeanette is sitting in front of Andre. Where is Jeanette sitting? Pat arrived early. When did Pat arrive? Karen and Simon drive dangerously. How does Karen and Simon drive? Sharon usually laughs at my jokes. What does Sharon usually laugh at? Where does she live? She lives in Victory Street. When do you get up? At 7 o'clock. He works at Memorial Hospital. Where does he work? My brother is a popular dentist. What does your brother work? They have 4 children. How many children do they have?